Talaga namang kilala ang Pampanga bilang culinary capital of the Philippines. Buhay na buhay rin ang nightlife scene sa maraming lugar sa lalawigan. Patunay rito ang iba't ibang destinasyon na pwedeng puntahan ng mga turista at mga Kapampangan. Ngayon, may panibagong gimikan at kainan sa Phil-Am Friendship Highway sa Angeles City na hatid ay one-of-a-kind Japanese experience. Mula sa Maynila, bukas na ang two-story concept establishments, ang Ebi10 at ang Yujo Izakaya. Unang masasalubong dito ang Ebi10 restaurant. Itinayo ito noong 2017 at ito na ang ika-4 na branch bukod sa Makati at sa Southern Luzon.
Ebi10 is more of a home-style Japanese restaurant. When I say home-style, it's dishes prepared in our house by our mom, catering to her children, which are more of the Filipino taste buds.
Katakam-takam ang lineup ng mga dishes ng Ebi10 na tiyak na papatok sa panlasa hindi lamang ng mga Kapampangan kundi lahat ng mga bibisita at kakain rito.
We're known for our tempura. So Ebi10's it means fried tempura. So we are known for the tempura that we offer, especially the shrimp tempura. And aside from that, we are known for the specialty rolls. Also, like I said, the new offering which is available here in Angeles is our teppanyaki.
Sa upper level naman ng Ebi10, matatagpuan ng Yujo Izakaya. Ang Yujo ay Japanese word sa friendship, kaya naman no strangers here sa hangout na ito.
Okay, so Yujo naman is, like I said, izakaya concept. No? So izakaya is more of a place where people can come to enjoy food as well as drinking. So the idea there is people can come anytime to drink with their friends and at the same time enjoy eating.
May special cocktails na nasa Yujo lamang matitikman at may mga menu na hango sa Kapampangan delicacies.
One is our Yujo gyoza, which is a gyoza made out of the traditional Kapampangan sisig. And then the other one is one of the few other dishes that we offer also is called the batuta age. It's basically like a chicken karaage, but this one's actually mixed in with frog legs. So which is I think a local delicacy dito sa Angeles.
Tiyak rin na dekalidad na sangkap ang iniluluto sa Ebi10 at Yujo Izakaya.
Yes, so a lot of the ingredients are actually even flown in from Japan. No? So we get it from a supplier who flies in the seafood straight from Japan, air flown, and then we pick it up and we use it here. So aside from the imported ingredients, meron ring local ingredients na makukuha lang dito sa Pampanga, also within Metro Manila. I want to invite everyone to come visit us here in Ebi10 and Yujo in Angeles. Ebi10 is open Monday to Sunday, every day pretty much from 11 a.m. all the way till 10 p.m. So we're open for both lunch and dinner service. Yujo Pampanga naman is open from 6 p.m. all the way till 3 a.m. Sometimes we can even extend it past 3 a.m. if people are looking to stay and party longer. But that's open Tuesdays to Sundays. So I hope you guys can come visit us and try out our unique offerings in both food and beverages.
Ako po yung kakaling talasuyo is Jody Dizon Mercado, ating pusong makabalin.